Subscribe for more videos.
What's up, YouTube? Thanks for coming to the journey of Mari and Brooke. Right now we're in the kitchen with Mari, and it's the Trap Kitchen. Today we got on the menu is we're doing chicken strips my way, and some macaroni and some Kool-Aid. It's a Trap Kitchen, man. We got our flour right here in this bowl. I'm using this pot right now to season the meat in. And it's gonna be our pan when the chicken get done. And we got our oil going right now, sizzling up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's sizzling up. So yeah, we got some cayenne pepper. I like spicy. And we got some accent salt, some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some little orange season. It's like a Mexican season. If you know, you know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cutting some chicken up. Let me get my gloves on and stuff. Be right back with y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I got the chicken cleaned and out with water. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this chicken up. Try to cut some fat off. Right here. Go ahead and slice some thin slices up. Probably make some of them fat. I don't know. Just depends on how y'all like it though. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want them thick, y'all want them thin. It's all up to your liking. So yeah, I'm gonna cut these up real quick. Some of that fat off. Like that. Any parts you don't want on it. And I like to cut mine up thin. You know what I'm saying? Like thin like these, little thin pieces. So I'm gonna cut the rest of these up, y'all, and I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, I got all the meat chopped up in strips like I showed y'all before. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the meat off again and start seasoning it up. Make sure when y'all rinse the chicken off again, make sure y'all get all the excess water. Try to make it dry as possible. You want to try to make it dry as possible. Put some accent. Throw some accent up in here. And by the way, I seasoned the let's pause on this TV. By the way, I put all the seasoning I'm putting on this chicken, I already put it inside my flour to season my flour up as well. Just throw the accent on there. I'm gonna throw some garlic on here. A little extra garlic. I love the garlic flavor on chicken. Put extra garlic in there. Black pepper. Can't go wrong with that. Black pepper. Onion salt. I don't really measure my stuff. I just go as I go with the flow. So I kind of know how much I want on it and stuff like that. Get it mixed up real good. If you don't see enough seasoning on there, you probably don't got enough on there. Don't be afraid to put some more, but try not to put too much salt. Okay, now I'm gonna put this orange season on there. Now this will make the chicken a little orange, which is okay, but it got good flavor to it. Mix it up some more. You know what I'm saying? And the chicken becomes like orange. You see that? Like orange now. Yeah, man, just y'all want cooking videos, go ahead and like and comment on this video that you want to see more cooking. In the Trap Kitchen with Mari, you know what I'm saying? Hear the oil back there going. We're gonna try to flour some of these up. Put them in the oil a little bit. Got a little fork. Try to coat it. You know. Try to coat them up a little bit at a time. Put them in the fryer a little bit at a time as well. You don't want to cook because you put too much in there in the fryer, it kind of cook uneven. So you don't want to do that. I could be mixing this with my hand and stuff like that, but I don't feel like doing all that. You know. So, yep, bam, bam, bam. Get some of these in there. A couple more pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in the fryer, man. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm back, y'all. I got this stuff floured up. This is like half the batch. Got the oil going. You can hear it sizzling. So it looks like it's about ready. I'm gonna try to test it out and see. Put a little flour in there, see what happens. I still don't think it's hot enough yet. Still don't think it's hot enough yet, so I'm gonna be back with y'all when I think that grease is hotter. See y'all in a minute. Alright, the grease is still getting warm, y'all. So I decided to clean off the counter. You know, you gotta clean up as you go. And so while we still waiting on the oil to heat up, so we'll drop the first batch of chicken strips, we're gonna go ahead and knock this Kool-Aid out. Fill it up, water, cold water. Add some sugar. Put the flour back up. So fill that up. And let's try blue raspberry lemonade. Let's try that. We'll do 2 packs. Or 1. I don't know. See here. You want it to a point where it's like sugar water. Pretty much. Get it mixed well. I hear the fire back there, it's getting louder. That means it's ready. I'm ready to drop my first batch. So we're done with this. Try that. Like sugar water. Put your blue raspberry in there, 1 pack. Stir that up in there. See if you get a good taste out of that. If not, we're going to throw the other pack in there. Pretty much try it again. That's actually pretty good. I think I'm gonna do a half of this. If we need more sugar, we add some more. I think this might be good. I always get it good on the first try. Try it again. It tastes pretty good, man. Let it get chilled and cold. Fridge. Kids can enjoy that later. Alright, y'all. Looks like it's sizzling pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and toss this around some more. And go ahead and drop our first batch in. Let's get it. There we go. We got our first batch. We're gonna drop in there. That's it. There we go. There we go. There we go. That shit in there. Let that fry up and sizzle up. And we're gonna mix some more. It's nice and coated. I'm gonna sit this over here until our first batch get done, and then when they get done, y'all, I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all what's going on. Now I got the fucking shit smoking. That's what I got. Turn on this one. That's smoking. I gotta clean that. I got the water going for the mac and cheese is right here. I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. My mac and cheese. I'm gonna keep looking at this chicken, twisting and flipping it until it get done. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna start putting the other batch in. We're gonna work on our mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. You ain't gonna want to miss it. And you're in the trap. You're in the kitchen in the trap. No, it's playing. You're in the trap kitchen with Mark. We'll be back in a second. So I heard it stop sizzling. You don't really hear it loud like that no more, so I mean it's time to take them out. So I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna take these things out. Take them out. We're gonna sprinkle a little seasoning salt on it. Put some seasoning on it. A little bit like that. And we're gonna put the rest of the chicken in there. These get done frying. This is the second batch. Then we're gonna start the macaroni process. Try to not make this video too long for y'all, but got that in there going. Got those that's going, that's done. I'm gonna put them on bake and put it on 150 so it can stay warm. Now my next batch, I'm not going to cook them too long. So they can be juicy. Got the water boiling. Turn it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you how I cook my macaroni. Be back in a little bit.